Hey Jamie,
Hey, mommy.
what you doing?
What you doing? You're making chocolate puppets.
We're making chocolate puppets?
Yeah,
Sounds yummy.
because the puppets.
Awesome.
I have 1, 2, 3, 5, and 1.
4, 5. We gotta make them clean.
Yeah, I'm
Okay.
gonna be dirty.
Wash.
We're done. This one is red. Put it to the napkin next. Press this. Aku first akan pop the puppets and can put some chocolate.
Okay.
Put some candy.
We put candy?
Yeah,
Ooh, sounds delicious.
delicious in my favorite snacks.
Alright.
And first we put some chocolate.
Oh, you're so fast. Almost ready. Ready.
And Nicole take some peek. Oh. Ai, termina.
Ooh.
Look at this.
Jamie.
Yes, mommy.
Eating candy?
Yeah.
What?
Super. Be up here. Shelf.
Are we ready for the chocolate?
Yeah. Oh, yummy. Bobono.
Oh.
That delicious really so delicious. Oh.
We gotta cover it all in chocolate, right?
Yeah.
Awesome.
Awesome. It's too many. Take it. And I think it's for jelly.
Wow. This smells so good. What you doing?
The chocolate.
Is it good?
This one is good. Yummy. There's too much.
What too much?
This chocolate.
Is too much chocolate?
Yeah.
That's gonna be good.
That's gonna be good. Okay. Okay.
You made the eyes?
This is chocolate ice.
Ooh.
Where is the door? Last one. Oh, too much.
too much chocolate?
Yes.
It needs to.
It needs to. 1 hour.
1 hour in the fridge? Ooh, nice.
Chocolate is done.
Is it ready?
Yeah, ready to eat it.
Okay, try it. Good?
Yeah.
Delicious!
Super.
Is it delicious?
Yes, delicious.
Awesome.